Okay, well today I'm going to start with removing the refrigerator. I'm going to take it out. I want to see what's behind it. I know there's electrical, but I want to see how much room I have in order for me to put the new fridge in here. So this is held in place by, looks like a few screws. I already took off the two bolts that hold it on in the back, and hopefully there's not a lot of other screws that need to be taken off, but we'll see. I have a small little dilemma. This refrigerator measures 23 inches, but the door opening is 22. So in looking over the refrigerator, it looks like this trim will come off. Once I take it off, the body of the fridge is actually 21 and a half, so that's plenty of room for it to go out. So this fridge was a little heavier than I thought, but you got it out. So there's a few changes in the bathroom already. I've already put in the new subfloor. The toilet is gone. The shower is gone. And I'm starting to work on this section here. I decided not to remove the doors only because the plumbing is on the back side here. If I ever need to get into it, it'll be easier this way. The main reason why I'm putting plywood on here, as you can see, all the water damage from the sink that was in this area. It's all coming apart here, so I'm just going to peel it back, put the new sheet, and the sink's going to go on this side. Easy to come off. So that's going to be the end of this video. I did as much as I could. Now I just need to go buy some more plywood, do my sketches, and I'll be carving this up. I need to finish the wiring here, clean it up so I can put the plywood back on here. Then I'll do the same for the shower area. Well, now it's just gonna be closet space. So that'll be the next video. So thank you for watching.